Hi class, welcome to today's lesson. Today we will be learning all about approximation. By the end of the lesson, you should be able to approximate answers to addition and subtraction problems to a given degree of accuracy. Approximate answers to multiplication and division problems to a given degree of accuracy. Round off numbers to the nearest 10, 100 and 1000. Apply approximation involving basic operations in everyday life. And solve problems on quantitative reasoning in the above contents. Are you ready? Let's get started. Approximation is a mathematical process of arriving at a value that is as close as possible to the actual value. An approximate answer can either be more than the actual answer or less than the actual answer. Okay, are you confused? Well, don't worry. We'll look at some examples to help you understand. Suppose Ahmad is unsure about the exact price of a medium-sized loaf of bread. He knows that a big loaf is 500 naira and a small loaf is 250 naira. So he guesses that the medium-sized bread should cost between 250 naira and 500 naira. Ahmed says to himself, medium-sized bread should cost about 350 naira. If the loaf of bread is 345 naira, we can say Ahmed's approximation is correct. 345 naira is only 5 naira less than Ahmad's approximation of 350 naira. When approximating, we use the word round off. This means to find the number closest to the original number, that is in the tens, hundreds or thousands. Let's look at some more examples. Abimbola's swimming pool contains 378 liters of water. If one bucket of water contains 5 liters of water, how many buckets of water can fill the pool? To solve the problem, we'll need to divide 378 by 5. The answer is 75.6. If you want to approximate that to the nearest 10, we need to look at the number right after the decimal point, or the last digit in the number. If it is more than 5, then our answer will be the next higher 10. This is called rounding up. If it is less than 5, then our answer will be the next lower 10. This is called rounding down. Our answer was 75.6. So if we round off to the nearest 10, our answer will be 80. Does it make sense? Alright, let's do a few exercises. Round off 118 to the nearest 10. Our answer will be 120. That's good. Another one. Round off 1342 to the nearest 100. Can you guess the answer? 1300. Why? Exactly. Well, the digit that comes after the digit occupying the 100th position is less than 5, so we rounded it down to 0. Same with all the numbers after it. If the question was to round off 1365, our answer would have been 1400. Why? Because the digit after the digit occupying the 100th position, in this case, is more than 5. So we rounded up to 1 and added that 1 to the digit occupying the 100th position, which makes the 3 become 4, hence our answer of 1400. One more example. Round off 1733 to the nearest 1000. Our answer will be 2000. Why? Because the digit that comes after the digit occupying the 1000th position is more than 5. Hence, we rounded it up to 1 and added that 1 to the digit occupying the 1000th position, which makes 1 become 2 and add zeros after it, hence our answer of 2000. Do you know that we can apply approximation in different mathematical scenarios? Should we see how? Alright then, let's see it in addition. If Damini has 215 naira and Ebuka has 332 naira, how much do they have altogether? Round off the answer to the nearest 10. To solve, we add 215 to 332, which gives us 547. Round it off to the nearest 100, our answer is 500 because the next digits after 5 is less than 5, so we rounded it down to 0, and same with all the other numbers. Let's see this example in multiplication. Amina is stuck in traffic. There are 4 trailers carrying 2 small cars each in front of her. How many small cars are in front of her? To solve the problem, we say 4 times 2, which gives 8. This means that there are 8 small cars in front of her on trailers. If we round off to the nearest 10, our answer will be 10 because 8 is more than 5. Let's move on to our last example. Nanfe bought sweets worth 250 naira. She gave the seller 1000 naira. How much is Nanfe's change if the seller only has 100 naira notes? To solve this, we subtract 255 from 1000. Our closest answer will be 745. If we round enough to the nearest 100, because the sweet seller has only 100 naira notes, our answer will be 700 naira. Wow, great job everyone. Just remember that the trick to approximation is to assign all digits in the number you want to approximate a place value, and then locate the place value you are asked to approximate to, and then check to see if the digit after that number is less or more than 5. We have now come to the end of today's lesson on approximation. Today we learned what an approximation is, we learned how to round up and round down to the nearest 10, 100 and 1000. We also saw the application of approximation to addition, subtraction, multiplication and division problems as well. Now it's assessment time. See you in the next lesson.